Hi, this is Rozani, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about how much I'm inspired by these cute little paper plates. These came from Walmart, but they have such colorful motifs on them with the flowers and the little swirls. So they are commemorating Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, and they're little sugar skull images. So I thought that I would use my paper mache to make these little mini skulls and be inspired by the color schemes and eventually paint them. So I'm trying out different ones to see what they would look like with flowers on the top of their little heads, which is a very popular way of depicting them. And I have different styles there, as you can see. Here's one that I painted with markers. Now I do need to touch it up, but I do like those colors. There are different ways of adding flowers, but if you've been following me, you know that I like to create them out of papier mâché. So these are the individual little papier mâché floral elements. So you will see coming up how I use them to make these little wreaths and pair them up with the little skulls. It takes time to create them and let them dry, of course. But once they are done, they're just so much fun to play with. And they can be arranged in many different ways, as you see here. So as I continue on, I am grouping them by colors and style to see what I could come up with. I like to use colored copier paper. Also, colored tissue paper, bleed-resistant papers mostly. But you can use plain paper and then color it however you like. You can use acrylic paints, or you could even use markers. But most of these were made with the actual copier paper. And these are fantasy flowers. They are not precise. It's very easy to group them together and explore the possibilities. Now, they could be used to decorate the boxes themselves, by themselves, or with the little skulls. So here I'm just experimenting with them, and this, of course, is a small box. And you can make the flowers in any size and use any sized box. But it's just a lot of fun. I love the contrast between the black background and the bright orange and bright green. Oh, what do we have here? Look at that. I put the elements together. Of course, sticking them together with liquid starch. But actually, they're going to form a little wreath, just like these. Where did these come from? Oh my goodness, look at that. Let's do a big one here and try a few smaller ones over here. There we go. I hope you get the idea. So now I know which ones are going to fit. I hope you've enjoyed watching the process. There's still a little ways to go, but I'm getting there, and I'm just having fun doing it, and that's the main thing. I would like everyone to enjoy their little projects. So until next time, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope that you'll give these a try. So I'll see you next time. Please check my playlist for updates. Y'all take care now. Bye-bye.